It's almost the end of the year. So, who won the bet? You or Crystal? Who's eating cat food or dog food?
We both failed.
Oh, so then you guys are both eating cat food or dog food.
It's December 31st, 2019, and Jeff is about to wear this tail to eat his cat food. You like my tail?
Oh, is that another Christmas gift?
Guess who's gonna wear it when they're eating cat food?
They're not gonna have human grade ones at Walmart. This is like, why don't we at least go to Petco?
We can go to Petco. Look at Jeff facing his destiny.
Ooh, beef and chicken. Ooh. I don't know why I feel this is just ridiculous. No, this is.
The face of defeat. Dude, smoked bacon and egg flavor?
Mmm.
It's like we were camping.
Mmm. What other good flavors they got, you say?
Rotisserie chicken with bacon and cheese.
Rotisserie chicken. What else do you want?
Rotisserie.
You can eat multiple if you want. There's nothing stopping you. Look at these delicious. Oh my god. Just chicken, ham and egg. Look at that. Oh, what's this? Slow cooked, what is that? Chicken and vegetables dinner? Ooh. Oh, they are cooked. You see that? Slow cooked. Oh my god.
Let's do pot roast.
Wait a second, give me some ideas. I mean, you know, compared to like, you know, when you're eating like, oh man. It's not that bad, is it? Let's see. Well, this one is a treat, so these are supposed to be better. All natural, handcrafted, without byproducts or artificial, no preserve. This might be actually better than the regular stuff I eat at McDonald's. I mean, look at that picture. Look at that. I know it's supposed to go in a bowl of cat food, but see, feeding an average size adult, just remove the cat part and it sounds fine. Feed an average size adult 1 fillet per day. This is not intended for humans. The premise of our bet was just a simple fitness goal. Now, my goal, let's start with Crystal's goal, which was 3 pull-ups, maybe some other stuff, but that's disputable. And so she has to do 3 pull-ups while I have to get visible. Oops. You recording?
Yes.
Visible 6-packs abs at rest. Yeah, I know. So, if whoever loses has to eat cat food. So we got some, you know, cat food just in anticipation. You know, but no worries here. You know, 6-pack easy. And then Crystal has to do 3 pull-ups. All right, you ready, Crystal? Let's see. Are you cheating?
No,
you hanging? All right, good. You're hanging. Ready? Go. All right. That's half. That's You know what? You know what? Did that count?
Yes, that counted.
All right, we're gonna have the viewers state whether they agree if that counted or not. Somebody's gonna have to, maybe disputable there, but all right. For today, we'll let it slide. Why do you have to get one with a pink ribbon? Why?
Because that's the only cat ears I have.
If we're gonna do this, I decided to ball out with a fancy feast. You know, 'cause I'm a fancy person. So I did find, I don't know, just was something that was cat, but you know, hopefully I can eat. Looks like they're probably more excited about it than I am. But I'm gonna eat it right in front of them. So, all right, good luck. And Crystal, for failing her doing the splits by the end of the year, which was another side bet that she had going on. and she was unable to complete. Now hers was different than the cat food bet, and now she ended up eating dog food. I don't have a way to open this. Oh wait, it comes with a... Is this like... I don't even know if this is cooked or not. I really don't know. At least it's all natural though. So if it's... Okay, let's get rid of some of the juices. Maxine! See, Maxine's trying to snatch it from me now. Oh my god, look. Maxine's very excited about this. Alright, let's see. Oh, I can't eat. This is just, oh my god. So there's just so much. I gotta get rid of the juice first. Pour the juice out. Oh my god, Maxine's gonna eat it all. Alright.
What's it taste like?
Why does it have so much flavor?
Is it good?
Well, it's chicken at least. You know that it's chicken, but they added something that made it very cattish. It's just so strong. Like if you just ate a regular chicken breast, it should just taste like chicken. Like what did they... Well, I can tell you that she's licking the juices down there, so they're all looking at me. Like, why are you not giving us the cat treat?
Is it raw? Is it cooked?
What do you think?
No, I don't know.
Oh, it's cooked.
That's...
It's striated, otherwise, no, there would be no way.
You don't have to eat the whole thing.
I'm gonna be a little bitch, alright?
Okay, I'm not eating that whole thing of dog food, dude.
I'm gonna fail. I'm gonna fail right. If I'm gonna fail...
You ate it all! What's wrong with you? At least he has back muscles. Look, look how tense he is. No, not yours. It's mine.
So tell me what's going on here. Hmm?
So, other than the pull-up bet, I made a side bet with Jeff
Yep.
that I could do the splits by the end of the year.
Yep.
And I believe I can, but I was focused on doing the pull-ups. So I will most graciously eat this dog food.
See, hold it still so we can see exactly
Caesar's Home Delight pot roast.
Let me see that real quick. Let's see. This you gotta put this. If you got dog food, it needs. You know, you gotta put it in a dog bowl. Here you go. Here you go. Try this. Come on.
Oh, wow, 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 wow.
Here we go. You're gonna enjoy this. That looks so good. Oh my god.
It's pot
Look at that.
roast.
You got confused. He's like, wait, what? She doesn't know whether to be scared of you because you're eating dog food now. You got leash on. Come on, you can sit. Oh my god, look at that delicious. Ooh, juicy dog food. Served fresh in the bowl.
It actually smells like pot roast.
Yeah, people are celebrating your loss out here on 98th Avenue. There's always something to celebrate.
I've never eaten dog food before.
You can get on all fours if you want. Be the proper way to do it. Oh wow. There we go. It tastes good, right? Did you get a full? Get a good sized bite. There we go. Yeah, come on. Come on, Fido. Don't need hands. It's pretty good, actually, huh?
It's like, it smells good, but the consistency is like ground beef that has...
Dude, she's confused. She doesn't know what's going on. Like, why are you...
Kinda tastes like clay.
Tastes like clay? Mmm. Well, it looks delicious, that's for sure. Gotta get it in there a little bit more at least. Come on. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Dripping out the mouth.
I mean, there's like little carrot and potato pieces.
There you go. You just eat the whole thing. I ate my whole thing. Look at that.
I'm not eating this whole
This is an
thing.
empty packet. So what about this empty packet? Look at that. Oh, that's a lot of meat though. Yeah. What do you think about that, Sophie? They're still looking at the cat treat that I ate. Sorry guys, it's gone.
I'm done.
Or one more bite for the camera and then that's good.
There's like sand in here.
That's okay. You can
Like,
handle it.
when you bite it, like
Come on, one more bite.
rawr, rawr, rawr.
There we go. There we go. That right there is a true hero. The face of a true hero right there.